When we talk about the law of attraction, we're focusing on the idea that like attracts like. The energy you put out into the universe attracts similar energy. By using the unique vibration of your birth date, you can align yourself with the energy of wealth and prosperity. Each number in your birth date vibrates at a frequency, and when you learn to harness that frequency, you open yourself up to receiving. To begin, start by adding up the numbers in your birth date. For example, if you were born on July 16, 1985, you would add 7 for July, plus 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 5. This gives you 37. Now, reduce it down further to a single digit. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, and finally, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Each number has its own meaning and energy. In this case, the number 1 represents leadership, independence, and new beginnings. People with a birth date that adds up to the number 1 are often seen as trailblazers. They have the potential to manifest their desires by tapping into their strong inner power. Now that you know your number, it's time to align your thoughts, actions, and energy to manifest money. What's important to note is that money is energy, and when you can connect with the right energy, it starts flowing to you. For those with a 1 in their birth date, focusing on your independence, leadership qualities, and ability to start new ventures can help you attract the abundance you deserve. Your mindset should focus on new opportunities, taking the lead, and trusting in your unique abilities to generate wealth. Now, let's talk about the number 2. If your birth date adds up to 2, you are naturally cooperative and diplomatic. This number is about balance, harmony, and partnership. When it comes to manifesting money, the energy of the number 2 encourages collaboration, working together, and attracting wealth through partnerships. To tap into this energy, focus on building relationships, networking, and being open to working with others. The universe will send opportunities for you to join forces with people who can help you grow financially. For those with a birth date adding up to the number 3, creativity, expression, and social energy are key. People with a 3 vibration are often talented in areas that require communication or artistic expression. If this is your number, you're likely to manifest abundance by being true to your creative self. To use this energy to attract money, think about how you can express yourself in ways that not only bring joy to others but also generate financial gain. Whether it's through writing, speaking, or creating art, your creative work can be the vehicle to bring wealth into your life. If you're a number 4, you're all about stability, hard work, and practicality. For you, manifesting money requires focus on building solid foundations. You're not someone who takes shortcuts, you're dedicated, disciplined, and persistent. To attract money, keep your focus on building wealth in a steady, reliable way. Whether you're working on a business, investments, or a career, the more you put into it, the more you will get out of it. Your strength lies in your ability to stay grounded and follow through with your plans. Those with a number 5 birth date have an adventurous, freedom-loving energy. The number 5 represents change, flexibility, and adaptability. If your birth date adds up to this number, you are likely to find financial success through thinking of change and taking risks. To manifest money, don't shy away from new opportunities, especially those that require you to step outside your comfort zone. The universe rewards those who take chances and trust that the right opportunities will lead to financial freedom. For those with a 6, the energy is about nurturing, responsibility, and service. If this is your number, manifesting money often involves helping others. You may find financial success through careers that involve teaching, healing, or supporting others in some way. To attract abundance, focus on how you can serve and care for others, whether that's through your work or personal life. The more love and care you give, the more the universe will reciprocate with financial rewards. Number 7 is all about introspection, spiritual growth, and wisdom. If your birth date adds up to 7, you likely have a deep understanding of the world around you and may find wealth through intellectual pursuits, research, or spiritual endeavors. Manifesting money for you often involves connecting to your higher self, trusting your intuition, and following your inner guidance. To attract abundance, focus on deepening your understanding of your spiritual path and trust that wealth will come as a natural extension of your growth. Those with a number 8 birth date are naturally aligned with abundance. The number 8 is the symbol of power, authority, and material success. People with this number are often destined for great wealth, but they must learn how to balance their material desires with their spiritual growth. To manifest money, focus on leadership, financial management, and taking action in the material world. The universe will support you when you use your power to create abundance, but remind to stay grounded and connected to your inner wisdom. The number 9 represents completion, humanitarian efforts, and a higher purpose. If your birth date adds up to the number 9, you are likely to manifest wealth through helping others, making the world a better place, or completing important work that has a lasting impact. To manifest money, focus on your higher purpose and what you can contribute to the world. The universe will reward your efforts to make a positive difference with the financial abundance you deserve. Once you know your number, it's time to incorporate it into your manifestation practice. Start by meditating on your number and the energy it brings. Imagine the universe sending money your way, aligned with the energy of your birth date. Use affirmations to strengthen your connection to your number and the abundance it represents. For example, if your number is 1, you could say, "I am a natural leader, and money flows to me effortlessly because I am confident and capable." If your number is 2, you might say, "I attract prosperous partnerships and harmonious opportunities that bring wealth into my life." Whatever number you have, the key is to believe that the universe is supporting you. Trust that your birth date holds the energy of abundance, and align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with that energy. The more you do this, the more money will flow into your life. The secret to drawing money using your birth date is simple: tap into the unique energy of your numbers, trust the process, and take inspired action. Whether it's through hard work, creativity, partnerships, or spiritual growth, your birth date can be a powerful tool for manifesting the wealth you desire. So, what's your birth number? Are you ready to use it to unlock your financial potential? Start today, and watch how your life starts to shift in ways that bring money, abundance, and success into your reality. Let's take a moment to explore how you can fine-tune the alignment of your energy with your birth date, using simple but effective techniques to draw money into your life. Understanding your birth date as a key part of your energetic makeup allows you to tap into a deeper level of manifestation, something that goes beyond what we typically associate with numbers and dates. One practical approach is to infuse your daily life with the essence of your birth number. For instance, if your number is 3, a highly creative and communicative number, you might want to engage in activities that allow you to express your ideas. This could include writing, speaking, or even engaging in social media in ways that feel authentic. When you're in alignment with the creative energy of your number, you unlock a channel through which money can flow freely into your life. Another effective technique is to create a manifestation ritual based on your birth date's vibration. You can start by writing down your financial goals and desires on a piece of paper. Then, with each number that is part of your birth date, focus on one aspect of your life that you want to improve. For example, Someone with a 7 might focus on spiritual growth or wisdom, while a 4 might focus on building a strong financial foundation through hard work and practicality. This exercise connects you with the specific energy of your number, helping you focus on what is important to manifest wealth. By incorporating the energy of your number into your daily practices, whether that's through visualization, affirmations, or actions aligned with your number's traits, you become a magnet for wealth. This consistent focus allows you to change your mindset and behavior to attract money more effortlessly. It's about seeing money not just as a means to an end, but as an abundant resource that flows to you as a natural result of your alignment.